What I'd like to show you today is just what to do with your leftover paint, that you can preserve it for future use. It makes a great sketching paint. If you collect up all the paint that you have left over from a painting session, and you can put it into a big pile here. All of this is dirty, semi-dirty paint. You can either preserve it as individual colors, or if you want to just make a mishmash, what I call Frankenpaint or Frankengray. If you want to make a Frankengray, you just take all of your leftover paints and you just mix them together. And I've got a little condiment cup right here, and then I can just mix these and then scoop them up. Sometimes it'll be very gray. In this particular case, we were painting a pet portrait of brown dog, so we have a lot of brown, variations of brown in this paint, but I'm adding in a whole bunch of other stuff in here. So eventually this will it'll either stay a neutral brown, or it might turn very gray. And all you do is mix that stuff together and then just scoop it into a condiment cup, or you can squeeze it into an empty tube of paint. Then you will have a really great neutral color that you can just use mixed with white, and then you can use it as a sketching paint to sketch onto your next project that you're doing. When you get it into the condiment cup, you'll see the other video that I have up here. You can just fill this with water and seal it up, and away you go on your next project. Be sure to check out that video, and I'll just show you how to do it. It only takes less than a minute. See ya.